Alienware ALW14-3437sLV 14-inch laptop. Review deal discount unboxing setup. I generally get a new laptop every 2 years, and I have to say, this is by far the best I have ever had. It is bulkier than I would prefer, but for all it does, I will happily put up with the fact that it is not as streamlined as I would like. It runs games like a dream, and is quick. I can be online, playing a game, and flipping back and forth in many windows and the response is still wicked quick. I'm beyond pleased with it. I wish I could give it 6 stars or more. To clear up conflicting answers I saw in questions about this laptop. Yes, it does have CD/DVD slot. And while some have complained it doesn't have an eject button, it is easily ejected by hitting Fn and F4 button together. And yes, it did come with restore discs, 2 of them. I am very pleased with the product, and Amazon got it to me super quick, which was nice. Happy with the laptop. Not only a great gaming computer, but a great all-around computer. The combination of an i5 CPU and the NVIDIA GTX 765M graphics card is perfect for strategy games, like XCOM, Enemy Unknown, Enemy Within, and I play them on the highest settings. This computer also runs 20 degrees cooler than the Dell Latitude D6430U it replaced. The fan rarely comes on, and when it does, it's on low and very quiet. I use my Alienware for everything from the usual browsing, emailing to watching streaming sports, movies, and gaming. It's the best computer I've ever owned and I highly recommend it. Easy to set up, runs like any other computer. Big, bulky, durable gaming computer. Not much left to say. Great buy. Comes in a cool box as well. It's a very compact laptop. It has a smallish screen but is quite thick for its screen size. It also does not heat up that often, which is pretty cool. I'd recommend this PC, especially Alienware in general. You won't get a better quality PC for this price. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.